Greetings. The purpose of this video primarily is to see how to get help on questions in your homework. So let's begin by going to MyLabs and Mastering. All right, I'm going to open MyLabs and Mastering. So here we have the LMS which Pearson has set up for our course in MyLabs. And so if you click on assignments, this will show you the current assignments that we have at the moment. Notice only those that have due dates are required and will be included in your grade for the term. Notice we have Intro to Statistics, Media, Distributions and Histograms and Media. These are some videos that I've placed here just to be available to you in case you want to watch them. If you access your homework and quizzes through Canvas directly, you will not see these. Notice here you can see the ones that are no longer blue links are no longer available to be worked. The due date has passed. But those that are blue hyperlinks, these assignments can still be worked on. The due date has yet to come. So I'm going to click on Distributions and Histograms. And you'll notice here we've got 31 questions. And I can click on one. And I can see here is one of the problems in our assignment. What I want to point out is when you're looking for assistance on a particular problem, there is the button right here called Question Help. And if you click on it, you've got several different possibilities here. And so there's a Help Me Solve This, which will usually take the problem that you're working on right now and direct you through the solution. When you solve that problem, it will give you a new problem to attempt to get credit for this exercise. There's View an Example, which will just kind of take you through an example very similar to this so that you can kind of see how the problem would be worked. They also have Video Help. Quite often the videos now are either video clips that were part of that video assignment that I was mentioning, or they've got some video set up for how to use Excel, the TI calculator, and StatDisk. I also have some videos set up for how to use the TI calculator. What I really want you to look at right here is the Ask My Instructor. When you've attempted a problem 2 or 3 times and are getting a little frustrated and you have a question about something, Ask My Instructor is a great place to go. You're going to send an email directly to me, and in addition to getting your question, I'll be able to see the problem that you were working on that created that question in your mind. This way I can better address your question because I'll have a context in which to put that question. And then I can email you directly with the response. So, like I say, these are some ways to get help when you're working homework problems. Not every problem is going to have all these possibilities. Another one we see here is the textbook. You can go directly to the section in the textbook that addresses the content of the problem. If I go forward to another problem or two, let me see. I think we've got one. Here, when I look at question help, there's another one here that has animation. So if you press animation or video, items will pop up that will kind of give you some little animation or story or exercise to look at to kind of crystallize what's going on in the problem. Well, I hope this helps a little bit.